Crash Course on Venezuela. Overview. Venezuela, a country located on the northern coast of South America, is known for its stunning landscapes, rich cultural heritage, and vibrant traditions. Let's delve into the fascinating stories and examples that showcase the uniqueness of Venezuela, followed by a detailed list of the top 12 attractions that will ignite your wanderlust. Interesting stories and examples. 1. El Sistema. Venezuela is renowned for its music education program called El Sistema. This initiative provides free classical music training to children and has produced world-class musicians, including the famous conductor Gustavo Dudamel. 2. The Tepes of Canema National Park. Canema National Park is home to the mesmerizing Tepes, tabletop mountains that inspired Sir Arthur Conan Doyle's novel, The Lost World. These ancient formations hold mythical significance and host unique ecosystems. 3. The Catatumbo Lightning. Venezuela's Lake Maracaibo is known for the Catatumbo lightning, a natural phenomenon where lightning strikes occur with incredible frequency. This captivating display of nature has earned it the title of the Everlasting Storm. Top 12 attractions of Venezuela. 1. Angel Falls. Experience the breathtaking beauty of the world's highest waterfall, cascading down from the Auyan Tepuy in Canema National Park. 2. Los Roques Archipelago. Explore the pristine beaches and vibrant coral reefs of this protected archipelago, offering an idyllic setting for snorkeling and diving. 3. Mérida Cable Car. Ride the world's highest and longest cable car to witness stunning panoramic views of the Andes Mountains in the city of Mérida. 4. Morrocoy National Park. Relax on the white sandy beaches and indulge in water sports in this picturesque national park known for its mangroves and turquoise waters. 5. Orinoco Delta. Immerse yourself in the natural wonders of the Orinoco Delta, a labyrinth of rivers, swamps, and exotic wildlife. 6. Mount Roraima. Embark on an unforgettable trek to the summit of Mount Roraima, a tabletop mountain shrouded in mist and home to unique flora and fauna. 7. Los Llanos. Discover the vast grasslands of Los Llanos, teeming with diverse wildlife, including capybaras, caimans, and a variety of bird species. 8. Coro and its port. Visit the historic city of Coro, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and explore its well-preserved colonial architecture and bustling port. 9. Isla Margarita. Relax on the beautiful beaches of Isla Margarita and enjoy the lively atmosphere, vibrant nightlife, and water sports activities. 10. Parc Nacional Henri Pittier. Hike through the lush rainforests of this national park, known for its rich biodiversity and abundant birdlife. 11. Ciudad Bolívar. Immerse yourself in the colonial charm of Ciudad Bolívar, where historic buildings and plazas reflect the country's rich history. 12. El Ávila National Park. Escape to this mountainous paradise near Caracas, offering hiking trails, stunning viewpoints, and opportunities for wildlife spotting. Summary. Venezuela is a country of extraordinary beauty, diverse landscapes, and rich cultural heritage. From the majestic Angel Falls to the vibrant coral reefs of Los Roques, each attraction presents a unique experience. Immerse yourself in the music, explore the natural wonders, and embrace the warmth and vibrancy of the Venezuelan people. Poem about Venezuela. In Venezuela's embrace, beauty unfolds. From mighty falls to tales untold. The land of Tepes and vibrant art. A symphony of nature, captivating heart. Mountains rise, touching the sky. Unveiling secrets as time goes by. With music's rhythm, souls ignite. El Sistema's gift, a shining light. Tropical islands with beaches pristine. Where turquoise waters dance serene. From Maracaibo's lightning in the night. To legends told on Canema's height. In Morrocoy, nature's canvas is found. While Los Llanos creatures astound. Colonial towns whisper history's tale. Coro and Bolívar, treasures that prevail. The cable car soars above the land, revealing vistas truly grand. Parc Henri Pittier, a rainforest's delight. Ciudad Bolívar's charm, an old-world sight. Venezuela, a tapestry so vast. Her beauty in each moment cast. With open arms, she welcomes all. A land of wonders, where memories enthrall. *****. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html aid equals 7989335. Thank you for supporting our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.